don't know the reason. Stayed here all season. Nothing to show but this brand new tattoo. But it's